Today, Anna Griffin will have an hour on HSN. I believe it is from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern. That should be 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I just wanted to talk a little bit about the items that I believe she'll be presenting, or at least that are now released. And I'll go ahead and link them. They might be linked down here, embedded in the video, and those would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items. Those links. So quickly, I just want to show you a few of them. They have the Francesca craft storage. Francesca's so pretty, but if that's something you're into, you have the Francesca craft storage. Um, the heart-shaped cards and envelopes. So it's very Valentine-y, as you can see. Like some of the items I've been showing from Dime Press are more Valentine kind of related, or just very sweet, like that kind of thing. I will have 2 more videos before Dime Press does their Getting Crafty on Tuesday. I think that's the 7th. But I'll share those videos with you in the next couple days. But she also has a Smitten cut and emboss folders, cute, a palette of hybrid inks, red and white lace vellum, some Valentine kind of greetings, some beautiful love ephemera stickers. I think I have those from years past. If that's, it says, oh, my virus protection ends. Let's get rid of that. It says new for you. Maybe. Anna Griffin Smitten stamp and die set. That's very cute. Yeah, and then some of this other stuff was already here. I will go back up here. The thing I skipped over was the Anna Griffin Simply Paisley scrapbooking kit. I did a whole unboxing of this kit. Um, it's gorgeous. I love it. Absolutely love it. I might even grab another one. I probably will. You guys know. But I went through each and every pretty much thing in this recently, so I'll link that video in the description box so you can check it out. This, to me, is the belle of the ball today. So I'll have those things linked. I will see you all very soon with some other videos. I'm trying to think if there's something else I was going to say about this. Probably not. So yeah, again, she'll be on 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern. And yeah, just looking forward to checking some of those things out and some of the projects that will be created. I'm assuming, the samples that she has for these cute things. I love this kind of thing. Okay, guys, I'll see you at the next one. I hope you're having a great day. Bye now.